Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxy Rich, and today I am bringing you a quick and easy 5-minute makeup routine. So let's jump right in.
Say Lucia, I do this for the culture. Watch me chew you like a vulture. I'm on top you like a coaster.
So I've already moisturized my skin. Prepping your skin is really important, just to give you that really flawless base. It's also really good to just take care of your skin when you're wearing makeup. So I've already moisturized my skin, washed my face, moisturized, and then all that. Today I'm skipping primer because, like I said, this is just gonna be quick and easy. So I'm just gonna get started right on my brows, okay? So to do my brows, I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty brow pencil. I like using this pencil because it's very pigmented, and yeah, I just love it. So I'm just gonna brush my brows first, brushing them upwards like so. And I plucked my eyebrows before this too, so that they have a little bit of shape already. Then I'm gonna go with my pencil, do my brows. Alright you guys, and I'm just gonna lightly get rid of some of that product right here, because naturally our brows are just for most of us, or maybe just me, but my brows are just not that thick right here in the beginning, so I just like to brush that out a bit. And as you can see, like I mentioned, this is very pigmented. I usually like to do my brows a little thinner, on the thinner side, especially for an everyday natural look. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up. So now my brows are done, I'm gonna jump right into my foundation. Today I'm gonna be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation, but since I am using just a few products and this is gonna be a quick and easy tutorial, I'm using the shade that's maybe 1 or 2 shades darker than the shade that I usually use. So today I'm using the 22 Deep color. And the reason for that is because, like I said, I don't want to do too much. I'm just going to be concealing. I don't want to contour. So this will help give my face some dimension once I conceal and do everything. So I highly recommend, if you're just doing something quick, use a darker foundation. So I'm just going to put this all over my face with a few dots. Maybe a little bit more. You don't want this to be too heavy either. It's supposed to look light, effortless, all that jazz. Just brushing that in. And this foundation, is also very natural, luminous, radiant. It will just give you, a nice base. You want to brush that into your hairline as well, since you are using a foundation that's slightly darker. Don't want it to be too crazy, not 10 shades darker, but I'm just gonna drag a little bit of that to my neck, blend that in, just make sure we got everywhere. Alright, and that's it. My base is done. So now I'm gonna quickly move over to my concealer, and today I'm using another one of my favorites. It is the Rare Beauty concealer. I used up most of this since I got it. I love it. I use it almost every day, even if I'm not wearing any foundation. It's really light, and the color just goes really well for highlighting under my eyes, but giving it a really natural finish. So I really like this. I'm just gonna put this everywhere that I want to highlight. So for me, that would be under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. So we kind of doing some type of reverse contouring, because by doing this, the other areas will look darker and there'll be that contrast. So you don't need to, do contouring again. That just, kind of helps it. I'm just gonna jump right in. Just got my mirror here, so I'm gonna put this under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose. That line was crooked. And under my chin here. Okay, so to blend that out, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It's a little bit damp. Just gonna take that in here. I'm just gonna blend that out here. But I really love the shade of this concealer. It looks so good. And it does a little bit of color correcting too. get all the edges because you don't want anything to look too harsh. This is, you know, just some light makeup. Alright guys, so that's it after the concealer. And as you can see, all those products that I'm using, they give you like a really natural finish. You kind of glow. It looks like a glow from within kind of look. So yeah, this is what we're going for. Okay, so now that my concealer is done, I'm gonna jump in and just set my under eye before it creases. And to do so, I'm gonna be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish. I've been using this for a very long time. I've had this for a long time. This is in the color Dark Deep, and I really like this one. I'm just going for, you know, like a natural light coverage under my eyes. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's great for like, you know, all day use, but if you're just like, you know, running out quickly, I recommend this. I love the way it looks under my eyes. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and pop that under here. Just to give me a little set everywhere that I put the highlight. Okay, so my eyes are set, my concealer is set. So now I'm just gonna bring out the shape of my eyes. I'm just gonna use that same Rare Beauty pencil that I used to do my eyebrows to do this. Yeah, and this is just to make it look like, you know, I tried, I did a little something, but it's not really necessary, but I feel like it helps. I'm not gonna bring my wing out too much. I'm just gonna give it a little something, something. Just watch, okay? And guys, I just lightly tapped this pencil on. I don't even know if you can really see this, but it's really light. You can even use a brown pencil to do this. It just, you know, helps to just, you know, bring out your eye shape. It's not supposed to be dramatic or anything like that because this is simple and easy, and it's not supposed to take you too long either. Just give yourself a little wing. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I got it from Ulta, but you can use whatever mascara you want. I'm just trying this one out. I'm also gonna put some mascara on the bottom lash. Okay, so that's it for my eyes, and now I'm just gonna do my lips. For my lips, I'm just gonna take any brown lip pencil, any brown pencil that I have, and I'm just gonna line my lips first. I almost always do this. Every time I'm doing my makeup, I do this. I'm gonna blend that in a little bit so it doesn't look too crazy. And now I'm gonna go in with my Essence lip gloss. This is in the color 21 Deep Red Love. I'm just gonna put that on my lips. So this is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know your favorite products to use when you're doing a quick look, when you just need to get out the door. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Love you guys. Bye.
Yeah, I'm a baddie with a fatty. Got a mani and a petty. Big jugs like my name Betty. I'm so petty, money steady. I don't make up, I stay ready. Call them bitches peanut butter, got them jelly. All this cake because I'm greedy. Boyfriend blowing up my celly. He too chatty, wanna cuddle like a teddy. He ain't ready, I'm so wetty.